Today, we're gonna show you how to use the Weber Crafted roasting basket on your Weber Genesis grill. So let's walk through my 5 favorite things I love about this accessory, and then we're gonna head out to the grill, and I'm gonna show you one of my favorite recipes. Now, once you've determined that your grill is compatible with the Weber Crafted frame kit, the best part is, add the frame kit, add those grill grates, and now you have the ability to use all of the Weber Crafted accessories on your grill. That's super helpful. When it comes to the Weber Crafted roasting basket, my 5 favorite features and benefits right here make this one of the most amazing Weber Crafted tools. Now, in every Weber Crafted frame kit box, you are going to get the Weber Crafted frame, which goes right into your grill like that, and it also comes with an adapter plate that takes up the front little part. Now, the best thing is, once that frame kit has been added, you now have the perfect amount of room to add those Weber Crafted accessories. Okay, for the roasting basket, we'll go ahead and add this in, making sure those clips keep it right on the side of our frame kit. Now, you can see we have a 3-burner grill with a sear zone. So I'm actually gonna turn these 3 burners on, burner 1, burner 2, and the sear zone. We will hit ignite, and now, guess what? I have so much extra heat right in this area by having that sear zone. But don't worry about it. If you don't have a sear zone, you're still gonna have great heat in here. I'm just amping it up a little bit. So next up, we'll show you a fun little recipe I like to make. Preheated right at 450 degrees. Look at that, nice little blend of vegetables in here. And I'll tell you what, the best part about this is I don't have to worry about veggies falling through the grill grates. And now I can use my tongs, do a little sauteing, if you will, in my roasting basket. Well, there you have it, the Weber Crafted roasting basket, an amazing tool. Now, if you're looking for another great Weber Crafted tool, check out the rotisserie skewer set. That video coming up next.